Welcome back to the Basic Excel course. Today, we'll learn how to filter data in Excel, an essential skill when working with large data sets. Filtering allows you to quickly and easily find the specific information you need without manually scrolling through all the rows. Let's imagine you have a customer database and you need to see only the customers from the United States. First, you'll want to select the entire data table that you're working with. This ensures that Excel applies the filter to all related data, so everything stays aligned correctly. Once the data is selected, go to the Data tab at the top of the screen and click the Filter button. You'll notice that small arrows appear next to the column headers. These are your filter controls. Now, click on the arrow for the country column. You'll see a list of all the countries present in that column. If you only want to see customers from the United States, uncheck all the other countries and leave the United States selected. After clicking OK, your table will instantly adjust to show only the relevant rows, filtering out everything else. For example, if you also want to see customers from China, just check both United States and China in the filter box. Excel will display rows that match either country, making it easy to compare or focus on specific segments of your data. This feature is incredibly useful when you're working with hundreds or thousands of rows and don't have time to search manually. If at any point you need to clear the filter, just go back to the filter arrow and click Clear Filter. This will restore the full list, showing all your data again. Filtering helps you focus on the data you need without deleting anything. It keeps your spreadsheet organized and makes it easier to analyze information, whether it's for reports, charts, or quick checks. With just a few clicks, you can tailor your view and work more efficiently in Excel.